are putting the same sensors in the GLB than in the CLA. So like sensor-based is the completely same setup. Also computing unit is completely the same. And therefore we can use the same software. We just adapt like the different size options, and therefore we can like bring the same performance in both of the vehicles.
So just the software adaptation?
Yeah. Hardware is completely the same for the driving assistance systems, yes.
Regarding the driving assistance systems,
yes.
So if I understand correctly, we get all the equipment in every car.
Yes.
So if I buy a used car, which have only standard equipment, I can buy the assistance systems later on.
Yes.
How does it work?
So we put in each vehicle we put all our sensors, all our standard sensor setup. And this sensor setup is based on radar sensors, on cameras, on ultrasonic sensors, and of course of our computing unit. And this sensor setup is really in each vehicle, no matter what package I'm buying. And therefore, I'm able, even if I just buy the basic model, I'm able to, after a few months or years, no matter when I want, I can also upgrade to a bigger package because the hardware is always in the vehicle. And therefore, it's just the software which I get additionally on the vehicle to activate the system.
And that means I open Mercedes Me app and I just click on what are the prices?
Yes, you go on the Mercedes Me app, and then you have there the digital extras. You can buy the packages, and regarding on which package you buy, you can get those features.
We are talking about hundreds or thousands?
It's about hundreds.
Hundreds, okay,
yeah.
That's nice to hear. But tell me, if I bought a fully equipped car, then I can also downgrade it?
Downgrade? You could deactivate the systems, of course. You're always able to just go into the settings and deactivate the systems.
Can I get my money back if I deactivate it?
That's not possible, I guess, at least.
Okay, but this is a one-time purchase, it's not a subscription, or is it subscription?
It's depending. For example, if I am buying a vehicle and I configure the vehicle with those features, so I get the features X factory, then I get my features unlimited. But if I, for example, have a vehicle with standard equipment and I want to buy the MP Drive Assist, the first package of our driving assistance features, then the customer can choose if he wants to buy the package for just a month, for a year, or directly for 3 years.
Or one-time purchase?
That's just X factory possible.
Okay, so it's better to buy it in the first place.